Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Do Not Disturb so calls stop ringing while you play. Go straight to Settings, turn on D&D and choose Silence, always to stop interruptions even with the screen on. Once done, set priority exceptions only if essential, otherwise allow none. Make sure to schedule D&D for your typical play window so it activates automatically. This prevents accidental unmuting. You're taking the first concrete step toward uninterrupted gameplay and lower distraction-related latency. Next, configure exceptions and the phone's gaming features to make blocking reliable. On Android, enable game mode or focus and toggle block interruptions. On iOS, create a gaming focus and disable calls and banners. If you need absolute silence, set carrier call forwarding to voicemail or use a temporary network block. Make sure alarms remain on if required. Also, disable pop-up chat or system overlays that can steal focus. These steps lock down notifications, so gameplay finish by testing and creating quick access. You should call your phone from another line to confirm calls are silenced and go to voicemail. Add a control center or quick settings tile for D&D or your gaming focus so you can toggle instantly before a session. If a call still gets through, restart the device and recheck which apps are allowed as exceptions. If problems persist, reset focus or D&D settings and rebuild the profile. That clears hidden overrides and fixes most slip-through issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.